Beats Studio Buds Plus true wireless noise-canceling earbuds, a balanced take on power, style, and versatility. Your video delivers a compelling and informative breakdown of the Beats Studio Buds Plus, and it's a must-watch for anyone considering premium wireless earbuds that don't lock you into a single ecosystem. From the outset, the content is well-structured, balancing clear visuals, crisp audio, and thoughtful commentary that reflects real-world usage. Presentation and structure: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. The video is polished and easy to follow, with smooth transitions and well-timed B-roll that showcases the earbuds in detail, from the packaging and unboxing experience to close-up shots of the design, case, and fit. You clearly guide the viewer through each major category: design, sound, ANC, battery, and ecosystem compatibility, with a tone that's confident, honest, and relatable. Design and comfort coverage: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You highlight the transparent colorway and other aesthetic choices really well. The lightweight build, secure in-ear fit, and the subtle but distinctive Beats design are all covered with clear visuals that help viewers get a feel for what it's like to wear them. Your comments on long-term comfort and the multiple ear tip options are practical and appreciated. Sound quality: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star 1/2. Your review captures the audio profile nicely. You describe the sound as punchy and bass-rich, classic Beats tuning. But you also point out the improved clarity and more balanced mids and highs compared to earlier models, including your thoughts on using them for various genres: hip-hop, podcasts, pop, etc. Adds a valuable layer of usability insight for different listener types. ANC and transparency mode: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. Your side-by-side impressions of the active noise canceling and transparency modes are particularly useful. You explain not just how they work, but how they feel in everyday scenarios like commuting, working, or walking outside. While you note that the ANC isn't quite on par with high-end competitors like the AirPods Pro or Sony WF-1000XM5, your honesty makes the review more trustworthy. Apple and Android integration: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. One of the strongest points in your video is the emphasis on cross-platform support. You clearly show how the Beats Studio Buds Plus integrate with both iOS and Android, auto-pairing, Google Fast Pair, Find My support for both ecosystems, and one-touch setup. This makes it easy for viewers who might switch phones or don't want to be locked into one brand. Battery life and charging: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You provide real-world estimates alongside Beats' official claims of 36 hours total with case. Highlighting the USB-C charging and quick charge feature was a great touch, especially for Android users who rely on the standard. It would have been even better to include a timed charge test or chart for comparison. Mic and call quality: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You tested call clarity and mic performance in different environments, which is really helpful. Your results: clear indoors, decent in wind or street noise. Give a practical expectation performance for everyday use. Including a mic test sample was a great decision. Final thoughts and value: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star 1/2. Your wrap-up is concise and fair. You acknowledge that while the Beats Studio Buds Plus aren't trying to be the absolute best at everything, they excel in key areas: comfort, bass-forward sound, cross-platform ease, and style. Priced competitively, they offer significant value, especially for users who live in both Apple and Android worlds. Suggestions, if you want to take it further, include a short EQ demo or app settings walkthrough for customization. Compare directly with one or two close competitors in a quick sound/ANC/battery chart. Mention water resistance, IPX4 rating, since that's relevant for workout use. Overall rating: 4.7/5. Your video nails the balance between informative and enjoyable. Whether someone a longtime Beats fan or just shopping for flexible, stylish earbuds with solid noise canceling, your review provides all the details they need to make an informed choice. Keep up the great work.